Guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another interesting question in today's video, and we have this right triangle that we know one of the sides are 89, so we don't have any information regarding the base and the hypotenuse, and we have to find the perimeter of this right triangle. So let's see how we can figure this out. So let's call each of these sides a variable. Let's call the 89x, we're going to call the base y, and we will have z as the hypotenuse. We have a right triangle. The first thing that comes to our mind is the Pythagorean theorem, which is z squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. And as I mentioned, we have our x squared, 89 squared plus y squared, and we're going to bring the y squared on the left side of the equation, and if we do that we have z squared minus, so y squared is plus positive on the right side, so when it comes to the left side it will be negative. Y squared is equal to 89 squared, and if we look at the left side we see we have the difference of two squares, which will be a minus b times a plus b. So let's do that. We'll have z minus y times z plus y is equal to 89 squared, which is 89 times 89, which will be equal to, let's figure out the value of 89 times 89. So we have 9 times 9, 1, we have 8 in here, so 9 times 8, 72 plus 8 is 80. So we have a 0 in here. We have 8 times 9, which is 72, and we have 8 times 8, 64 plus 7, which will be 71. So this will be equal to 1297, and this will be equal to 7921. Now if we look at this, we'll see that we have two variables that multiply to each other. We can call one of them a and the other one b, and basically we have a times b is equal to 89 times 89. We know 89 is the prime number, so let's see what are the options that we can get in here to build that 7921. So first of all, we can do 1 times 7921, or we can do 7921 times 1, or 89 times 89, and these are pretty much everything. And let's go with each of these two. Let's go with 89 times 89 first. So basically our z minus y is 89, and z plus y is 89 too. And if we add these two together, we have 2z is equal to 2 times 89. So our z will be 89, and if the z is 89, that means our y is 0, which does not make any sense because we have a triangle and our side cannot be 0. So that does not work. Let's go with the other one. Z minus y is equal to what we found for like any of these two, 79, 21, and z plus y will be 1. If we add these two again, 2z is equal to 79, 22, and if we divide that by 2, we get 39, 61. If that's the case, our y has to be a negative number. So if you put this one in the third equation in here, our y has to be minus 3960, which again we have a negative sign. This does not work too, and we are left up with only one more option where we have z minus y is equal to 1 and z plus y is equal to 79, 21. And if we add these two, again our z will be the same, so 2z is equal to 79, 22, 22. So our z will be the same, 39, 61, and this time our y will be, if we put it in the first equation, our y will be 39, 60. Now there's one thing that we have to check. We know in a triangle we have a rule. If we have this a, b, c, we know a plus b has to be greater than c, and b plus c has to be greater than a, and also a plus c has to be greater than b. So we have to be mindful of this one. What we found in here for our triangle, so we have our x 89 from the beginning, we call it x. We found our y 39, 60, and we have our z 39, 61. So we have to be mindful of put this in here, but if we check, we'll see that this will satisfy the condition for any of these conditions to find the perimeter, which is basically x plus y plus z. And if we do that, what we're gonna get is basically we have 3960 plus 3961 plus 89, which is gonna give us 8010, which will be the final answer for this question. So yeah, very interesting question. Hope you guys find this one helpful. Let me know if you rather like more geometry question in the channel. I can solve more of these type of questions in the channel. And yeah, let me know if you have any other solution to solve this one. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment. It's gonna help me to reach out to more students. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.